Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. I really appreciate each and every single one of you guys. If you are new here to my channel, bienvenidos a mi canal. Welcome to my channel. Here we do a lot of videos related to beauty, lifestyle, and self-care. So if that is something that you're interested, make sure to hit the little button, the notification button and the subscribe button. That way you can join La Familia and just check out any video that I post. And also, before I do get started, I just want to say that I love you guys, man. I don't know, I have really good vibes going on right now, so I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy and all that good stuff. Much love. All right, let's get into it.
Given a chance, always thought we would make it this far. I guess the universe is on our side.
Alright guys, so as you can see by the title of the description box, today we are doing BoxyCharm for the month of, it's May. Yes, it is May. Okay, so I'm going to be doing the base unboxing, and I'm also going to be doing the premium. I will get to the details of each one as I go along. I will go ahead and give you guys a little, I don't want to say it's a fun fact, but a little, I don't even know, a little side note, that this is the last month that I'm actually going to be doing BoxyCharm premiums. I feel like, you know, I have a lot of subscription boxes, and I kind of want to do other things as well. So I will be holding on to the base box and Boxy Luxe, which I think that's coming next month, so we'll talk about that next month. But as of right now, I'm gonna let go of BoxyCharm Premium. I have enough makeup, and a lot of the stuff that I do end up having, I do giveaways or I give to my family and friends, and I just feel like, you know, I don't want to have a whole bunch of stuff that I really don't need. And I don't know, there's other subscription boxes out there as well, so stay tuned for maybe a future different one. All right. So, if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, we're going to start with the first one. This is the base box. It is $25 a month. Here you get 5 full-size beauty products. It's supposed to be valued over $125. And now, newer things that they have added to it, you get to pick a choice of one of the items that's in the box. So, let's go ahead and start here. This one right here has a little card. Here's what it looks like. Don't mind my nails, guys. I'm sorry. It's just been a crazy week. As you can see, it's a different setup as well. Just a lot of changes going on, and it's just been crazy lately, but I will keep you guys posted on everything. But, okay, so this one is Flourish. That is the theme, and the variation number, I guess, it's a long one. If you are interested in the boxes, I will link them down below, so make sure to check it out. And I did go ahead and look this up, and this weighs 1.1 pounds. So, first thing that I see here in the box, I'm excited for. This is by the brand First Aid Beauty. This retails at $30, and it is the Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. It's basically, oh, here is what it looks like. It's actually a pretty large bottle. Hopefully that takes. Okay, it's actually a pretty large bottle. It's 50 milliliters, 1.7 fluid ounces, and basically this is supposed to brighten, hydrate, and smooth while helping blur the appearance of pores. Let's smell it, because I know it says something coconutish. I don't know if that's for real or not, but as you all may know, I love coconut, so if it smells like coconut, I'm gonna be one happy lady. All right, here is what it looks like. Kind of swatch. It's more like a off-white color. It's taste. It's literally very soft. It's very, very soft. I love the way this feels. I'm loving the way it smells. It almost feels like water. Like, it's just very, very soft and soothing. I know I'm gonna love this. So yeah, pretty freaking cool. First Aid Beauty, that's the first thing in the base box. Alright, moving on here. Now, this was my choice for this month. I just don't know if I got the right shade, but this is from the brand Tarte. This is the Shape Tape Glow Wand. It retails at $27, and it's supposed to be a liquid sheer brightener that gives you like it's not supposed to be a concealer. It's supposed to give you like a glow, a lift, more like a youthful glow. That's what it says. This is in the shade Aglow. And the packaging is kind of cool. It reminds me of the concealer. Only thing is that it has this little kind of like a blender type of thing, applicator on the end. And on the other end, there it is right here. Let's swatch. Okay, like I said, it's not supposed to be a concealer, although I don't know if this is actually the right color that I'm supposed to use or not. Not sure. Oh, actually, that blends in really nice. Okay. Okay, the texture is nice, and I do like the way it kind of does give like a little glow. I don't know how it applies to the face, but hopefully it does work out. I'm excited to try that out, so if you guys want to see it more often, let me know. All right, next thing I have here looks like something for my hair, which is great because it's looking kind of raggedy right now. This is by the brand Dry Bar, and it is a Hot Toddy Heat Protection Mist. It retails at $27. Hopefully you guys can see. And this one says basically, before you iron your hair or do any kind of heat to it, you put this on. As simple as that. It says it protects dry hair from heat and style with curling, straightening, and styling irons for up to 450 degrees. Okay, let's smell it really quick. Okay. Ooh, that actually smells really nice, guys. Okay. I tend to do a lot of things to my hair. I like to crimp it and wave it and curl it and straighten it. So I will definitely be using this. This thing smells really fresh, which is nice. Nice to know. Okay, next thing in the box here, we have something by the brand, I don't know how to say it, if it's TYNT or if it's Tint Beauty, but this is the Haze Smoky Eye Pencil. It retails at $18, and this looks like it is in the shade Forest. Okay, here's what the packaging looks like. And let's do a little swatcheroo. Ooh, this is pretty. It's called Forest, and it reminds me of a forest. It kind of looks like a Christmas tree color. There it is. It's very fallish and Christmas-like, but a lot of people do like wearing green. I actually like wearing green as well. I think it goes good. Compliments people with brown eyes. Very nice. It's supposed to give you definition, blendability. It says it's yet creamy formulation glides with ease and creates a nice smoky eye. I could definitely see how that works. It glided on very nice and smoothly, and yeah, I'm excited to try it. All right. Next and last thing in the box, we have something here by Beekman 1802. I don't know, that's the name of the brand. This is a dewy eyed illuminating anti-puffing eye serum. I'm all about eye serums, as you can tell. Like, I just look exhausted lately, and I don't know, I'm all about keeping those eyes woke. So I've never really heard, no mind, I've heard of the brand, but never really tried the brand. This retails at $42 and basically says that it's supposed to help get rid of tired eyes. All right, look how cute the little packaging is. That is very, very cute. Just a little fun fact about this one. It says that it's clinically proven eye serum to, a powerful blend of actives and goat milk. So it's actually supposed to be pretty freaking good. This is definitely not what I was expecting as far as the packaging goes. It's definitely a little smaller. Kind of reminds me of the travel size stuff that you take on the airport. But you know what? It's pretty expensive. Like I said, it's $42. So I'm hoping that this actually does do something. I'm doing a tiny, tiny little swatch. It's very clear. And let's go ahead and see what it feels like. As you can see. Let's put it under. I mean, it says it's supposed to awaken your eyes. I don't know, since I already have makeup on, if it's gonna do anything, but why not? I don't see a difference just yet. But if you guys do, let me know. The thing that I do like about it is how nice it feels, and it has absolutely no smell, which is nice for an eye serum. It's an illuminating eye serum. So that is everything that is in the base box for May. I'm gonna go ahead and add everything up really quick. All right, I'm back. I guess my eyes do look a little bit more awakened, but all right, the whole box does retail at a total of $144. So $144 is absolutely not a bad deal at all, because at the end of the day, you're only paying $25 for the subscription. I love the products that came in here. I'm really, really excited. I got a little bit of hair, skincare, eye care, eyeliners. It just got a little bit of everything, so I really do like this one. I will jot down the details below if you are interested in it. And let's move on to the BoxyCharm Premium. The final BoxyCharm Premium. Alright, this box is a little bigger. I already went ahead and found out how much it does weigh for you guys, for those of people who do like to know. This one weighs 1.6 pounds. Same thing as the other one. It does have a card, and it looks like the theme on this one is also Flourish. All right, let's get to the first thing in the box. I know that I was gonna get this because this was actually, hold on, did I have two? Yes, I had two choices in BoxyCharm Premium. One of them I said surprised me, and then this one I did actually pick. As you can tell, I've been like in a brown kick. I love golden and bronzes and just brown. I love it so much. So anyway, I did pick one that said Chocolate Bunny. This is Too Faced Matte Eyeshadow. It is waterproof. It's 24-hour crease proof. and it retails at $21. So this is what the packaging looks like. They had a whole bunch of colors of options to choose from. I was very torn, but I ended up going with like a brown kind of color. So here is what it looks like. I love the packaging. It's really pretty. And let's do a little swatch. That's actually more lighter than I thought. Here's what it is. It kind of reminds me of a lipstick, but it is a eyeshadow. I'm very curious to try it on my eyes. And actually, I actually feels like it would match my shirt right now really nicely. I like the color. I feel like you could probably wear it as a lipstick. I don't know if you can, but the color would look nice. All right, cool. That's the first thing in the premium box. Let's go ahead and move on to the next thing here. And this is by the brand Rodeo. This is the Dragon's Blood Eye Mask Trio. It retails at $18. I guess this is supposed to be just gel eye masks. Cool. It says it helps for depuffing biocellulose eye masks. I'm not going to try these on or really, I'll open them. I'll open them. Okay. Here's what the packaging looks like. There is 3 of them in the box. So that's pretty cool. I guess that you're not getting just one. Any fun facts is that Dragon's Blood comforts and restores through the skin hydration. Arnica reduces the appearance of under-eye puffiness, and the hyaluronic acid, which as you all may know, it is awesome. It provides long-lasting hydration. It's kind of funny because this box has something for your under eyes and the other one has a serum. So my eyes hopefully will be looking a lot better. All right, jumping on to the next thing in the box here. I don't know. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is by Bite Beauty. So this one right here is the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. Okay, it's a matte lip crayon. $26 is how much it retails for. This one is in the color shade Damson. I'm gonna go ahead and open it from the bottom just to show you guys what it actually looks like. I'm probably gonna be throwing this in a giveaway because I don't really need too many more lip products right now, but it is really, really pretty. Let me see if I can open it without touching anything. Okay, you can't really see, but from what it looks like it could be like a, I don't know, like a dark purple maybe? Yeah, I guess that's what it looks like. If I do find a swatch for it, I will put a picture of it somewhere up here. That way you guys can take a look at it. But I'm going to actually be putting this in a future giveaway. So make sure you are staying tuned because I know for a fact that we're like 2 people away from 3K subscribers, which I am so appreciative of. And shortly after, I do plan on doing a giveaway or 2. So just stay tuned for that. Moving on to the next thing here, we have something by the brand LaRouche Beauty. This is the on-the-go set. It retails at $96. That is freaking crazy. I don't even want to open this because I know that it is a 3-piece set of brushes. So it's supposed to have a brush for foundation or contour, a powder brush for highlighter or blush, and a small, dense, angled brush for eyeliner or eyebrows. The packaging is so pretty. As you can see, it has like this little stamp, so I don't want to mess this up. And I'm also going to be adding this to the giveaway. I have plenty of brushes. I might as well share the wealth with you guys. But I'm shocked to know that it retails at $96. That is bananas. Those brushes better be bomb. You guys let me know how they work out, please. All right, next thing in the box, this is something by the brand Serum Kind. And this is the Black Blossom Hand Serum. It retails at $27. And basically, from my understanding, is literally a hand serum. It's supposed to create a skin barrier and give you healing effects and intensive care. That's really dope because you see a lot of times that we get in the boxes, you always get serums for your face, for your under eyes. I've never received any kind of serum for my hands. Yes, it's Black Blossom Hand Serum, a precious serum of the Royal Black Tulip. Ooh. All right, let's check it out. When you open it up, kind of has like those medicine things where you take the little cap and you open it up. Hopefully it doesn't smell like medicine though. Let's see. It actually smells pretty good. Okay, so it is kind of just like, it looks like a moisturizer. Let's see what it feels like. I love that it's for your hands. This is awesome. Okay. It's definitely, it gives me like a floral kind of scent to it, but I'm not mad at it at all. It actually smells very fresh and pretty. It smells like something for the spring, and I feel like it's kind of nice to just have that extra, you know, boost of moisturizing in your day today. Also, another fun, well, not fun fact, but I just think it's dope because right now, you know, a lot of us are washing our hands consistently, using a lot of serums. So this is definitely something that really helps calm and keep your hands protected from the daily use of it. And yeah, it has a musk blend of the flowers, scent of rose, magnolia, and jasmine. I knew I smelled floral. All right. Oh, guys, fun fact and extra perk. It helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and promotes youthful skin. Shoot, I'm about to put this thing everywhere. I love it. It's really cool. It says, do good, be kind. I'm all about that. All right, guys, moving on to the next thing in the box. I'm actually really excited because this one was another choice item, but I decided not to choose and just said, surprise me. And then another the choices was between a palette and also like this honey moisturizer thing. It looked really cool. I was very indecisive. I didn't know which one I wanted because I really don't eat either. So I was like, hey, you know what, BoxyCharm, go ahead and surprise me. And I'm happy because I did receive a palette here. I don't know anything by this brand. So this is by House Laboratories. It's Lady Gaga's brand. I take that back. I think I do have like an eyeliner that I got in another box. This is the Glam Room Palette #1 Fame. Here is what the packaging looks like. It retails at $34. Oh, this is so different than I thought. Okay, so it's kind of like a little compact. This is what it looks like. It has like a diamond kind of thing here and matte. It does have the shades in the back. And let's go ahead and, ooh, you know what? This is prettier than I thought. All right, let me take this off. It has a nice mirror. I'm not gonna blind you guys, but here are the shades. I'm really loving these shades because they have a little bit of pink, purple, brownish. I like it because I feel like this is a nice nighttime palette. And I don't know, I'm really all about that. Let me see. It says you have 10 matte, metallic, shimmer, and sparkle finishes made to perform on every skin tone. And you have some cool plums, deep blacks. Let's do some swatches really quick. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back. I was just doing some swatches off camera, and let me show you guys the beauty of this palette. I'm actually very impressed with it. Hopefully the camera is doing it justice. I'm trying to move my hands. And I just swatched all 10 colors of this palette, and I'm very impressed. I think the colors are absolutely gorgeous. They swatch, they're creamy, and I'm really happy I got this palette over the skincare item. Yeah, one more time. There they are. It's gorgeous. So while I was off camera, I did go ahead and add up the premium products, and there is 6 items in this box, and it does retail at $222, which is awesome. I will say I forgot to tell you guys, if you are interested, if you don't know what premium is, it is a $35 monthly subscription box, and it has 6 products and usually retails over $175. The extra perk to this one is that you get to pick 2 things from your box, which is always obviously like a nice thing to have. But yeah, that's basically it. So like I said, $222. Honestly, I really like both boxes a lot, but for some crazy reason, other than the palette, which I'm obsessed with, I think the palette is awesome, I'm really gravitating towards the base box. I think that I like the variety of things that it has in it, and obviously I love that it's $25. The premium box I think is really cool. I love the serum. I'm loving the Too Faced thing, which, side note, this thing, when I was taking off the makeup from it to do these swatches, this took forever to take it off. So it really must be pretty good as far as long wear, because it did take a minute with me with wipes trying to take it off, and it was not coming off. So that's a fun fact. But like I said, my favorite thing in that box is the palette. It's gorgeous. So I'm happy I got it. But if I did have to make an absolute choice, it would probably be base box. I want to know what you guys would pick. And also, what did you guys get? And what do you guys think about me letting go premium? Do you guys think it's a good idea, or do you guys want me to bring it back here soon? Let me know down in the comment below. Also, thank you guys again for all the continuous love and support. I really appreciate you guys. If you guys want to see any future videos, of course, jot them down below as well. And I don't know. Muchísimas gracias. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Ciao. Mwah.